How to use frameless webcam, which is pinned to your desktop, which you can use for other applications. Use software CamDesk. CamDesk is a free open source desktop webcam widget that was created as home surveillance. You can download it from the official website. Once you download, extract in a zip file in a folder. You will see the file size is very small. Once you unzip, you click on the CamDesk application. You will get a window like this. You can change the dimension of this. You can change the opacity. You can pin or unpin. You can use chroma key and choose the color. So you can shift the frame, resize the window, opacity, pin or unpin, use for recording or giving lectures. This is a very useful tool when you are using it for the recording purpose. So this is in short about this free utility which can use when you are giving lectures or presentations.